Today we're going to dive deep into something most CEOs never say out loud. I feel stuck and I don't know how to shift it. I'll show you how to recognize the signs of stagnation and what it actually takes to start thriving again. You're running the company. Everyone looks to you, and yet you feel stuck, not broken, just like something's off. What if that's not the problem, but a signal? Why do CEOs get stuck, even at the top? See, let's bust that myth. CEOs don't get stuck because they're lazy or unclear. If anything, we work harder than anyone else. They get stuck because they've been too effective at solving the wrong problems. What? You've been optimizing, delegating, scaling, but the deeper question, they stay buried. The more success you have, the harder it becomes to admit it. I'm not sure I'm fulfilled anymore. Here's the hidden cost of staying stuck. Here's what I see with my clients. When you're stuck too long, you start leading from maintenance, not vision. That's powerful. Decisions become safe, not inspired. You're in meetings, but you're not really there. The business still grows, yet you feel like a passenger in your own company. If you felt that, even quietly, you're not alone, and you don't have to stay there. So let's examine the real shift from stuck to thriving. Thriving doesn't start with a business or external move. It starts with an internal one. It starts with permission to pause and ask, what do I want now? Not 5 years ago, not 5 years from now. Now. It continues with conversation, spaces where you can speak freely without being the fixer or even the face. And it solidifies when you start making decisions from clarity, not conditioning. You didn't come this far to stall. If this stirred something in you, like I know it did, it's because you're ready. Ready to lead from vision, not obligation. And if you want help unlocking the next chapter, you know where to find me. I'm Francois Lupien, the Executive Whisperer, and talk soon.